This one-of-a-kind estate is situated on 4.76 acres with a stocked pond and mature trees that paint the landscape. With unique architecture, various custom features, and intricate design details, every inch of this home is sure to impress. Entering the home, the vaulted foyer welcomes you and leads you into the large family room. This space is beaming with natural light from the expansive wall of windows, and the floor-to-ceiling fireplace boasts a gorgeous black stone facade. The kitchen features a sleek industrial design with black cabinets, quartz countertops, floating shelves, and stainless steel appliances. The eat-in dining space as well as the formal dining area provide a copious amount of space for hosting family parties. Just steps from the kitchen is a solarium, where you can sip your coffee and look out into your picturesque pond view every morning. Each of the bedrooms in this home provide a spacious retreat, especially the master suite, offering a fireplace, deck access, a walk-in closet, and an amazing ensuite bath with a walk-in shower, soaking tub, 2 vanities, and gorgeous accessories at every glance. Besides the attached 2-car garage for storage, there is a lower level garage that is massive, almost 5,500 square feet of space. This garage is perfect for a car enthusiast and boasts trophy cases, a lift, laundry area, and office. This space leads into the finished bar and theater area that's ready for entertainment, as well as a bedroom and full bath where guests can feel at home. Outside, step onto the massive deck with tons of room for outdoor furniture to enjoy a cookout or for relaxing in the fresh air. If the mosquitoes are biting, you can easily bring the fun into the sunroom. The garden house offers storage for all of your outdoor things, as well as a half bath so you don't have to track back into the house after a day at the pond. With amazing views of the pond, it'll be hard to resist taking a dip in the water as soon as the weather warms up. And talk about fishing, this pond is great. Dive into this spectacular property by calling Jim Bradley for a private showing today. You don't want to miss this one.